Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on searching for videos inside a specific YouTube channel on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Searching for YouTube videos inside a channel is a useful feature of YouTube on PC, but unfortunately it is not yet a feature of the YouTube app. If you would like to search for videos inside a channel on your mobile, you can do it by opening a web browser and opening youtube.com. Go to the channel that you would like to search within. Tap on the drop-down arrow to the right of Playlists. Tap Search. You can now search for whatever you would like to search within the channel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.